Welcome to How to Build Your Own Home. I've got something very interesting today. I'm at an actual student's home. Steve, he's behind the camera over here. We're going to do another post on his home. But he showed us some interesting technology he found at IBS, which is the International Building Show. I hadn't been able to get to this one this year. I'm just a busy guy right now. But we found some interesting technology. And I want to bring that technology with a very interesting concept. When you go into the bathroom, especially the toilet, you typically turn on the fan. Where's the fan located? It's typically located way up there. So you're gonna have to breathe that stuff as it's coming up past your nose. Well, introducing the Potty Sniffer, is that right?
Yep, that's it.
The Potty Sniffer. This is Steve with a company called the Potty Sniffer, and they've actually created a very interesting technology. And it has to be something as simple as this. Inside your toilet, and I'm going to let Steve explain it, but he's going to be able to bring a way to ventilate that out with also a sensor. So he's got all the tools right here. That's all you've got to do is bring that into your toilet area. And then he's got a manifold system, and this system here is actually for 3 bathrooms, 3 toilets, and that will actually pull all that information out. So please explain to everybody how this works, Steve. How on earth can you pull out a smelly toilet just with this?
Okay, so the way we're set up, it's like a central vac system for your toilet. And instead of a fan like normal for ventilation, we're using a pump. And what that means is we can build vacuum pressure. And that allows us to set a pump up to 100 feet away. And that's how we're setting this up. So how it works is inside every toilet in this, if you open up the lid, there's a tank, there's a pipe that comes up. And that is called an overflow pipe. And that pipe is normally used for water. If something gets stuck and water starts filling up, water will go down into that pipe and go into your bowl. So we actually reverse that flow. When you're not flowing water down that pipe, what we do is we put we call it an air intake shroud. This goes over the pipe that's in the toilet, right there. And once the water rises to the bottom of this air intake, it creates a chamber. And now we can apply a vacuum to this chamber. And that will pull air directly from inside the bowl, and it never reaches the room.
And you actually have video of this where you actually have a fog. We'll just imagine that stinky fog, and that's right there by the toilet, and it's pulling that stuff right through.
I have the most fun exhibit at the show. I've got a toilet that's steaming, and people come by, and they, what is that? Because they're thinking aromatherapy or steam bath for your butt. No. It is to prove to you the system works. And
what if we added another 2 and one's for some aromatherapy or something like that? That'd be pretty cool. Sorry, that's next generation.
That's next generation.
Next generation.
Okay, so now we've got it sucked in. We're in this room. We're in the mechanical room, the pump. It's pretty quiet, but we isolate the noise here. So we can actually run that system through this control cable with a sensor. So when you're using the bathroom, you just walk in, it kicks on, and it's transparent to the homeowner. And it's an option as a builder. You can go to your customers, hey, do you want odorless toilets as an option? And
well, here's what's neat about that. How many times have I sat with clients on a consult going over their plans, and they've got a bathroom entrance right adjacent to open space? All right, it's a really big issue, and I have to tell them, you might have some clients or friends that come over. You might want to move that toilet because they might be embarrassed. I just had a carpenter use my toilet at my house, and it wasn't that great. And so this here is really, really cool, especially for where you're just so confined with the placement of the toilet. You can't move it any other way. This here is going to solve for that problem.
Oh yeah, definitely, and it works. My wife would not let me invest in our retirement and savings into this if it didn't work.
So everything's on the line with this guy. I'm really excited about this. Well, we're going to come back, and when Steve finishes his home, this is an owner-builder home. It's taking a little longer. We're going to actually go through this, and we're going to actually show you that. It's going to be really exciting. But with some of the video he's given us, you're able to see that as we're talking, how it actually works. And we're going to put a link to this description so you can check that out yourself. But I'm really fascinated with this. I've always been bothered with the fact we have a fan way up there coming past your nose like that, how that's really going to solve the problem. I don't think it's going to solve the problem. This here, getting it closer to the source,
Yeah.
as you can say, is probably the best route to go. Anything else you have to say on that, Steve? This is Steve, and Steve.
Originally, this was made as a retrofit for older homes, and that's how it started, because a lot of these older homes, they didn't have bathroom fans. So this is how I started thinking about this problem. So yeah, so you can buy this for your existing home as well. And this is the next step, to build these things into the home. And it's really not that expensive. It's just a pump and tubing.
And that's all you have to fit through your frame structure.
Yep.
This here thing, kind of like a condensate line for a mini split system rather than a big, huge forced air system. This here is not that hard to fit through your structure. So very easy to do.
Yep. And you know, one of the challenges on this job is we're going to be adapting this to a smart toilet as well. Ooh. So that's something we're going to explore with.
And
but
so
that's the
he's
future.
actually bringing 12 volts, if I'm correct,
Yeah.
to the toilet. So this is actually going to be able to supply the power you need for that smart toilet.
Yep, for a lot of the functions. And if we get the toilet manufacturers involved and this thing takes off, they can start riffing on this theme.
This is like sliced bread. Oh my!
Yep.
This is going to take off and take over the world. We're excited.
I sure
about
hope
that.
so.
You know, it sounds somewhat corny, but it's a real lifesaver for your nostrils. And so if we can just start to get people involved in this, I can just imagine this on a commercial scale. How many of you stopped over at those bathrooms in a commercial? Let's not go there, honey. That's a bad toilet there. And so we really need to solve this problem globally.
Yep.
So I'm excited about it.
Yep.
This is
Very
Keith
good.
talking about a really interesting product, how to ventilate your toilet at the source. We're going to do some more posts on this, but check us out at howtobuildyourownhome.com, and we can actually give a checklist on how to install this yourself. Right, Steve?
Yep, we can do that.
We'll do that. Thanks.